This is a cow. Cows give us milk. We use milk to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and cottage cheese. Thank you, cow. This is a goat. Goats also give us milk. People make cheese and even soap from goat's milk. Goats are clever and fun to watch. This is a sheep. Sheep give us wool to make warm clothes. Some sheep also give milk for making cheese. Bah! So fluffy. This is a pig. Pigs give us meat like bacon, sausages, and ham. They love to roll in the mud and are smarter than you think. This is a chicken. Chickens lay eggs and also give meat. We use eggs to make cakes, pancakes, and omelets. Cluck cluck. These are ducks and geese. They give us eggs, meat, and soft feathers for pillows. They love water and make funny sounds quack quack. This is a horse. Horses help us ride, carry things, and work on the farm. Ponies are like small horses. They teach us patience, confidence, and friendship. This is a rabbit. Rabbits are soft and love to be gently petted. They give us fur and sometimes meat. They teach us to be kind and gentle. Thanks for learning about farm animals with us. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you next time, little farmers. Bye bye.